If you have a Cub Cadet XT1, it came with this green thing, which if you didn't read the instruction manual, you might not know what it is. This is for washing out the underside of your deck. The way it works is you can thread it right onto your hose, then you stick it on the washout port on your lawnmower deck, engage the blade, and then it'll just start cleaning everything out. So let's do that. It goes in the washout port, which is on the left side of this mower. Just push it on in there. It should click in place. You can see it's dripping out a little bit. Now I'm going to turn on the engine and engage the blade. We've got the water on, so it's all going through now underneath. Engine is running. Bring the deck all the way up this time. Engage the blade. Now it's got water going all underneath it. I'm just going to let this go for a little bit. You can see stuff is starting to finally come out on this end. Starting to see clear water now running out of it, so that's a good sign that maybe we're about done. I turned off the engine because it started sounding like I was out of gas. And yeah, I am. But that's how you clean the underside of the deck. So that's all the gunk I got out from underneath it. Basically, you want to leave the water running until it starts coming out clean. I apparently left the mower right in the spot where water puddles, so I wasn't able to actually see it as it came off. That's all I've got for today. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure and subscribe.